Wara nuqqas ta' sentejn pajjiżna se jerġa' jilqa' l-ispettaklu tal-Isle of MTV fejn numru ta' DJs u kantanti mis-senija jdoqqu jkantaw nhar it-tlieta li ġej fuq il-fosos tal-Furjana. L-ikbar stennija bla dubju għall-artisti internazzjonali Marshmello u French Montana. Ma' dawn se jkunu qed jingħaqdu fuq il-park Baby No Money, May Muller u l-artist Malti ta' fama internazzjonali Sean Farrugia. Net News kellem mal-Viċi President tal-Marketing għall-Paramount Russell Samuel fejn spjegalna aħjar wieħed x'se jkun qed jistenna l dan il-kunċert.
We believe that music brings people together like no other medium, and we've got obviously the crowd in the square tomorrow. We've also got a global audience, and so we've really curated a truly global lineup, and that involves more local artists than ever before, which we're really excited to be able to give the Isle of MTV stage and platform to those local artists, but mixing those with exciting breakthrough international artists such as Baby No Money and May Muller, and then big global stars such as French Montana and Marshmello. None of those artists have obviously been to Malta before, so they're all excited to bring their show to the Isle of MTV stage, and so we know it's going to be a really memorable evening for everyone tomorrow.
Din is-sena se tkun l-14 l-edizzjoni li dan il-kunċert se jsir f'pajjiżna. Bl-aħħar snin ġabu l-miljuni ta' turisti f'pajjiżna biex igawdu dan l-ispettaklu minn diversi artisti internazzjonali, fosthom Lady Gaga, Snoop Dogg, Maroon 5, One Republic u Martin Garrix. Bħal kull sena, din se tkun ġimgħa mżewqa bil-mużika, ġimgħa li se tkun qed tiftaħ permezz tal-kunċert fuq il-fotos sabiex fil-ġranet ta' wara jkun hemm numru ta' club nights u parties f'postijiet varji madwar pajjiżna.